God. Stop.
Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you.
A tornado is forming. Bye.
Safety, please get back in your vehicles.
No, that's my best friend.
I know, you must get your own safety.
Do y'all need me to drive this bitch? Cause what the fuck is the problem? Let's go!
The National Weather Service in Raleigh, 11. This includes the Durham Freeway between exits 6 and 16. Heavy rainfall may have difficult to see.
Look around.